I'm at rock bottom, not a dollar in my pocket. Every time I feel okay, I just point me to all my problems. Why the fuck can't I just stop it? It's so fucking toxic. How could I wanna be okay so badly and still make no progress? And some days are worse than others, I admit. I'm there for you, of course, but I'm who I forget. I never show up for myself. It might seem like I'm doing well, but you dodge me if I ever let you in. Put my life in God's hands and pray to him that he don't drop it. At this point I feel so heartless, blame the life I'm stuck in. Fuck this, no one ever would survive if my road was what they walking. Why the fuck would I tell someone, let my problems be my problems? That's my issue from the jump, I never talk about shit. Throughout my life I never thought that anybody'd understand. Then I picked the microphone up and I got it off my chest and found so many people fighting demons too, now I'm with them. It's us against the world, now I know what this about, cause I know it would be when the lights go down and the thoughts come out, feel like no way out. And you just can't breathe, trying to get calmed down, but your eyes fall out till you feel like you're drowning. And all of your tears leave all asleep, then you wake from dreams and you feel like shit cause it's make-believe. And then it's fuck it, I'm done, I'm going back to sleep. Don't wake me up if you see the sun, that's my biggest enemy. Give me time, I'll figure it out, no really I'm fine. Don't think I need any help, just let me rock, cause it ain't like I feel like I'm at rock bottom, not a dollar in my pocket. Every time I feel okay, I just point me to all my problems. Why the fuck can't I just stop it? It's so fucking toxic. How could I wanna be okay so badly and still make no progress? And some days are worse than others, I admit. I'm there for you, of course, but I'm who I forget. I never show up for myself. It might seem like I'm doing well, but you dodge me if I ever let you in. What's it like getting out of bed, rubbing the crust out of your eyes and feeling refreshed? Last night I went to bed around 7 p.m. Woke up at noon feeling tired, mad it happened again. I woke up, god damn it, now I gotta get up, acting like I'm fine. Let my face show motivation while this hell invades my mind. Embrace the struggles, that's what makes you. But what happens when you try and they become the closest thing to your existence? What's the point if it's a cycle that I know all too well? Maybe the fact it's consistent gives me comfort and it's hell. I made friends with the monsters even though I hate how it feels. They've all I've known for so long, it makes it so hard to rebel. But if I keep believing, maybe one day something will change. I only try cause dying means my name will carry that shame. I have a family that loves me even if I can't say the same about myself, so time will tell if I get out. I feel like I'm at rock